Hello guys, you are welcome to MWH54. If today is your first time, my name is Obape Fia. Respectfully, I would like to let you know that this is not your regular food channel. Here, we touch on the most important things you need to know to make all your meals come out perfectly. We also encourage you to try your hands on the recipes you find interesting to make you become perfect before he arrives. By this, I would like to respectfully invite you to be part of us by subscribing, liking, and sharing our videos. Please don't forget to click the notification button. This is our usual fried eggs, and today we are presenting it differently to make it more attractive and appetizing. Inti ye no man ya ho no. Kama me show so yi ka kumbarima betumi de sekan. Cry you betumi de atrebi ye sharp aye. It's not necessarily to come out as round. A betumi aye rough, but we do go me be kama. Inti we say no ubetimi de ama enkra no e de akọ school uye indomie nkra ubetimi de atoto so na look different no rice nso a ubetimi de atoto so ubetimi de use de afelo bread na aye something different ukunu nso will leave ohwe na ukunu will leave short leave bia na waje we say no aka woni ne mienu nko a ofie no na waje obekwa akodware obeba no na esi ho na aso wote ho kama won kasa kra aduane na bekasa ama wo hwe na wo crash bi nso wo adwuma mu a wo chim ho wo sene ha wo fa ha guy ya na boy inte kra se dogo bi no abe je we say sorry ntam wo yo ba pe nice lipstick wo ye be ma pe tie kama anase shoe then wa sorry ntam na wa je we na wo de akwa adwuma wo kwa contem. Don't be late for this particular day. You clean your desk, you clean his or hers. We dey see the desk so monitor ne space ho. Na tire bibi kakra bi sha not about your feelings though. Se we nyina we ye na wante ase a befra wo maame. Na ye nko ne fie nko busa na de kodie nti a de ekoso no. Wa ye na adwene se wo fie. Ara we say we ye wo fie a to ne din. And by this, nkakra ubenya a lot of meals a ode be create wo menu. Ama wenya different menu a encrash won repeat meals. E be 3 or 4. Nti misrew. Ya you say mama. Na if you nye de na odo so. Please don't give up on love because love has not given up on you. We'll try now, give yourself some time and try again. In all this, I will also advise you never ever stay in abusive relationship because when we are winning the ubenya misrew aduane na you ready into hano with love where you know one na wa serve wa de kama what you say so any the video you want like subscribe it. Be part of us. See you in our next video. Bye.